Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'll be taking you around this Toyota Yaris. This Toyota Yaris is finished in grey and is powered by a 1.5 VVT-h petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. Into the boot and you'll find plenty of space with this Yaris to provide for your daily needs. Of course, this can be extended with the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 16-inch alloy wheels as well as LED daytime running headlights that provide great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back and the passengers are provided with full leather seats, headrests as well as ISOFIX for convenience. Into the front and the driver is presented with a leather wrap multifunction steering wheel as well as full front leather seats for comfort. The multifunction steering wheel provides access to radio control, volume control, cruise control and vital driving data. The partial digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multifunction steering wheel. In the centre, a coloured touchscreen display gives access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth, multimedia and radio is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in the tightest of spaces. Just below is the controls for the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Air conditioning is also provided for those hot summers. Into the centre console, USB connection, 2 cup holders, the automatic gear selector, different driving modes and a manual handbrake is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.